Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how I improve my power snatch and my overhead squat. First you're going to watch me do the power snatch with the overhead squat, and after that you're going to watch me do the clean pulls. The clean pulls has helped me a lot with the power snatch and the overhead squat. Why? Because of the leg drive. It teaches me the proper leg drive from the ground, and that's one of the many secrets to weightlifting. So watch me. I hope you learn and practice. Just improve. No excuses. Cold mind, warm body. Let's get it on. Everyday strong guys. Cheers.